My beautiful people, I am the tech doctor, and today I want to show you a simple ERP system which I have come up with in a very short period of time. So I want to show you the complete functionality of this ERP. The reason I'm calling it a 420 ERP is because I have cooked it today. That is today is the time I've cooked it, and I want to show you how big it is. So I will leave the link to the demonstration below this video so that you can go and visit and demonstrate free of charge. There's nobody who is going to ask you for anything. It's a very nice software. So this is the link I'll give you, by the way. So if you read here, introducing this one, so let me go straight directly to the testing. So we have our features. We have super admin. We have four types of users: super admin, verified admin, non-verified admin, and the user. So all these guys have special rights. They have different rights. Each can do something unique or something which the other one can do, but they are unique. So you can see, for example, the verified admin has many functionalities. This one you can see. This one you can see. So I want to take you directly to the system and show you all their functionalities. So the first thing, if you buy this software or if you happen to have this software and want to show you the registration part, let me show you the registration part. This is the registration part. You choose if you are admin or user, then you write your name, then the phone number, then the password there. For example, if you just write your, you understand what I'm saying, you write it, you feel. Because I have already done that, I want to take you directly to how we do everything else in the system, including adding products, all those other things. Because registration is not a big deal, so I want to show you directly how we register. And the part of immediately you register, you cannot log in unless this admin knows. This admin is the one who approves you to log in. Is the one who unblocks your account so that you can log into the account. So for example, you see, let me show you. This is the super admin area, and if you see here, say the block is 0. I'm the one who has removed. So when a client registers the first time, the block is 1. The block is 1, so they cannot log in. So this admin the super admin has to unblock them so that they can log in. So let me unblock all of them. And also, we have two types of admins: verified admin and non-verified admin. The verified admin is the boss of the company, and the non-verified admin is the manager. So when you come here, you find I am the one who does this. There is no need for me to be explaining this. Then when you come here, you find user activity. I will show you after we have done everything in the system. We come to the user activity and see what has been happening. So let's start. So let me come here. Just be patient. So come here, because we have already registered. Let us go to the login page. So I want to log in as the admin. So here I have given you the testing data. You come here, you see the data is, let me see. This data is wrong. I will give you the right data. You'll find the right data there for testing. So don't worry. So let me log in and test. I show you. So this is the main admin. Let us come here, by the way. Let us come here. Block. This one, you see, admin verified. This is the boss. This one is the admin, non-verified manager, and the user. When you come here to verify, you'll find that this is the one who is already verified. The rest are not. This one is not. So they will have different abilities in the system based on their verification. So let me come here and log in as the main boss who is registered and show you what he can do in the whole system. So let us log in. So when you log in, you'll find that this is the system now. It has no data already. It has no products. So we have all products, we have expenses, we have delivery. Then when you come here, you'll find another menu for the boss. This one is only for the boss. When I come here and unverify him like that, that menu will disappear. Let me show you. That menu will disappear. There will be just product sales only. That one is for the manager. So the other one, the boss must be verified. Boss must be verified. So let me come back to this one and show you. So you see, yes. So because there are no products here, I want to show you how we can add products. So let me just come add products. Click like add products. So you see here there is nothing like branch. We have not added a branch or a vehicle where we can add the if you sell your items using vehicles, you can add them here as branches so that you can be collecting the exact data. So let me go back here and come here as their boss. First add the branch stock vehicles. Come there and like that. Then here, for example, let's say one branch is, let's say Nairobi. For example, let's say the one branch is that one. Let's say another branch, Mombasa. Say like that, Mombasa. Let's say another branch. Let's say another branch like Kisumu. Like that. Say that is another branch. Then let's go back here. Now we go to the add products. We will find them here. First, let's add to Nairobi. For example, you can add this part. You can add one by one items, and we have another part where you can upload the items using a spreadsheet, Excel. I will show you. So just be patient. So here you have item name. For example, let's say club soda, 500 ml. I don't know. I am just guessing the prices, these items. So here you have to write the quantity. Let's say these are cartons, for example. Let's say this one. Let's say you have 50 cartons, and let's say buying price is 3,000. Let's say selling price is 4,000, and you update. You add product. When you have added that product like that, that shows you how you can add product one by one. When you go back here, you find the product is here. It has been added. So I want to show you how you can add these products using spreadsheet. So you come here, use Excel spreadsheet. Then you are told here you have to download sample. So you just click download sample, then save where you want to go and see the sample so that you can use it. Yes. What is this? Let me close that one like that. So you read here. You can read here. Data in spreadsheet must follow the following order. So if you don't follow this order, and the order is exactly in your spreadsheet. So what you do is just go and open this spreadsheet like this. Just open the spreadsheet. Fill the information of your products. Let me show you. Fill the information, all the information. For example, let's say you sell butter shoes. Say you sell this, enable editing. You sell butter shoes. You have butter shoes. Let's say butter shoes. Size 36. Size 37. Let's say it's 37. Quantity, let's say 50 pairs. Or let's say just 5 pairs. Buying price, let's say 1,000. Selling price, let's say 3,000. For example, we are just guessing. Let's add Balenciaga. Let me just add them like that. Size 37. Size 37. Size 37. So I'm just showing you. I'm not going to do a lot of these things because you can be able to do it for yourself. Let's say one was 7,000 and the other one was 10,000. Which one else do you want us to add? Another thing, let's say unga wangan. Let's say this one 50 kg unga. Let's say this one. Let's say we have 60 bags. Let's say this one is, let's say, I don't know, 500. Let's say 1,000. So then there is a statement here which is saying you remember to erase the first row. So the first row you have to fill it with another data, because if you upload it like that, it will upload everything including this one as a product, and we don't want that. So let's upload it as, let us add another thing here like basins. Let's say what else? Coca-Cola. Let's say this one description, let's say 500 ml. Coca. Crates. For example, let's say they are 100, or let's say they are 6. Let's say this one is 6,000. This one is 7,000. Now, after you have your data like that, you can easily upload all your stock in a single second. So you just save this one like that, come back here, click upload, then go to where you have saved your Excel, open, then add products. You select the branch here, don't forget to select the branch, then add products. Then wait for it to load. New products added. So if we go back here like this, we go back here to like this, we'll find we have them. We have added them. Very simple. So how do we sell these products? How can we sell a product? Selling is very easy, by the way. Selling, because I've showed you how to add products. Now I want to show you how to search products. If you are the boss, you can search using name. For example, unga. You can search like that. It will bring you the search. If you search, for example, Balenciaga, it will bring. So how do you sell? For example, if it is this unga wagano and you want to sell, how do you sell it? You just click here in stock. If the stock is below 5 items, this one will turn to be red. I will sell this one so that you can see. For example, this one. So if this one, for example, the quantity is, you see, 6. If you try to, you see, in each product you can update the product. For example, if this one I want to update the quantity and say it is 10, you can just click like that, come here and say it is 10, and update that. Then it will take you back. You see, it's 10. So let us return it to 6 and see. Let us return where it was so that I can sell, and you see how the system shows red. So in stock, let me just say, for example, let me sell 2 crates so that it can be 4, for example. Then we just write the quantity and click here, it will calculate for you. Then sell products. If I sell that product like that, you see it has been subtracted. Now it is 4, and we have sold 2 items. I will show you how you see the items which have been sold. So you just have to be patient. So I have shown you how to sell that item. Understood? Good. So as the boss, we have a place here where you can see the product sales here like this. If you just come here like this, click there like that, you will see the product sale is this one. Our product sold, you find this one, Coca-Cola, description, crates, branch. So, and you will see this one profit made 2000. So if the selling was success here, it will tell you the selling. But if the client returned the items, the boss can return the items to the stock. You remember we had before. So if we, for example, the client returns 1 crate, you just come here to return stock, click return stock, then return quantity, say it is 1, and click return to stock. Then after clicking return to stock, it will tell you return to stock 1. Then it will calculate this one again. It will do it for you again. So the calculation will be okay. See, good. So let us go back and see if it has been returned. We have 4, we returned 1. Now it is 5. You see, good. So that is how it works in that area. I will show you everything. Just be patient. So let me show you something else. So we have something else. If you have sold something, how can you print the receipt? How can you print the receipt? So I want to tell you something you should understand about this system. If every user produces their own receipt. So if you have no receipt to print, it will tell you there is no receipt for you to print. And if it can print the receipt of a whole day, if it can print the receipt of a user for whole day. For example, if you have sold, you just have to come here and how many boxes have you interacted with? Just come here and click print receipt, and we have interacted with just 1 box, the Coca-Cola box. Then you just write 1 box. Then continue. After you click continue, it will tell you, you remember we have returned. You see? It will tell you everything that you have sold. Then you can click print. Let me click open here. Okay. So you see this one here. You can print this one. You can print here. You can print here. So I want to show you. Let me go back here. Let me sell another item. For example, this Balenciaga. Let me sell this one in stock. And say quantity 1, that one. So I think I know you understand how to create this invoice. So if that was just 1 client, you write 1. If it was 1 client who bought Balenciaga and Coca-Cola, you just write 2 boxes like that, and then you click continue. It will put everything for you. You see? Yes, that is how it does that. So I want to show you something else. There are a lot of things here for me to show you. So we have something known as expenses. Every business has expenses. Every business has delivery. So I want to show you these things so that I can complete this one I show you. Good. So expenses, just click expenses like that. So these are the expenses, the things spent in your company. So the user has their side to add those things, the boss has their side. So for example, select the branch, the vehicle you are spending that item. If you want to add vehicles as branches or as shops, just write amount. For example, let's say 800, let's say lunch, like that. Lunch and the refreshment. Let's say add like that. So after it has been added. So you come here, you find it has been added here. See, everybody can see their expense. So let me go back and show you something else we call delivery. Delivery, and the delivery, you see there are no deliveries here. So delivery, I know you understand what is delivery, is items you deliver. So because there are no delivery here, let's try to add a delivery. And say for example, it was from Nairobi to Mombasa. Items, let's say 600 bottles of gas, for example, and let's say it's our own driver like that, and add the delivery. So the person who is at Mombasa, if you add the delivery like that and come back here, you'll find it from this one to this one means. So you see there are no comments here. So the person who is at Mombasa will add comments if they have received the items or not. You see? So here in no comments, you can see you can just add comments. Let me go back and show you, by the way. Let me go back. So delivery, you can search using ID. This is the ID, this is the first number. You can search using ID. So or you can search using the item name. So let me go back here. I have shown you delivery. I want to show you this part, expenses report. So when you add expenses, the admin can see the report here, what was spent. You see, what was spent. This the amount, the reason. You understand that one. The reason we have this kind of layout is because we want it to work both on mobile and the PC. So yeah. So let me go back here and show you something else. We have manage user. So the main boss is the one who allocates users their branches. So for example, this guy here who is a user cannot log in because they will be told that the admin has not added a branch to them. So for example, I want the admin can add that information, and the admin can see the points a user has sold. You understand? Yeah. So every time a user sells something, the points will be added here. Every time a user sells something, the points will be added. So the points will be added based on the number of items they have sold. Like not the amount of cash they have sold is the one which is added there. Is added there so that you can know who is working hard in a company. So you see this user. I want this user to log into a branch known as, for example, Nairobi. So I want them to work in Nairobi. And this is not a must you add this one, but you can add. Just you add